Conditional statements are used in Python to execute different code blocks depending on certain conditions. Here's an example that uses if-else statement to check if a number is positive or negative. If number greater than 0, print number is positive, else number is negative. In this example, the program takes user input using the input function and converts it to an integer using the int function. The if statement checks if the number is greater than 0, and if it prints number is positive. If condition 1, code to execute if condition 1 is true, elif condition 2, code to execute if condition 2 is true, else if nothing is true. Takes user input, so we are taking input and then checking if number is negative, positive or 0. In this example, the program takes user input and checks if the number is greater than 0 using the if function. If the condition is true, it prints number as. If that condition is true, it prints number is negative. If both of these conditions are false, it executes the else block and prints number as 0. Because there are two possibilities only, negative or positive, else 0. Thank you.